Intro, Supreme Bike. Welcome back to Supreme Bike. Today we're diving into the all-new Harley-Davidson Sportster S 1250, a modern muscle cruiser that blends raw American power with cutting-edge technology and aggressive styling. Design and styling. The Sportster S 1250 stands out with its bold, futuristic cruiser design. It features a low-slung stance, wide tires, and a stripped-down aggressive look. The chunky fuel tank, short tail section, and premium finishes give it a true street cruiser identity with a modern twist. Engine and performance. Powered by the Revolution Max 1250T engine, this beast delivers around 121 horsepower with strong torque across the rev range. It's liquid-cooled and tuned for both high performance and smooth city cruising, making it one of the most powerful Sportster models ever built. Features and technology. The bike comes loaded with modern tech including multiple ride modes, cornering ABS, traction control, cruise control, and a full-color TFT display. It's designed to give riders full control and confidence in different road conditions. Ride and handling. Despite its muscular build, the Sportster S offers surprisingly agile handling. The upgraded suspension and lightweight frame help improve stability and cornering. However, its firm ride setup is clearly performance-focused rather than comfort-oriented. Conclusion. The Harley-Davidson Sportster S 1250 is a perfect mix of heritage and modern engineering. It's built for riders who want power, presence, and premium technology in one aggressive package. A true statement machine in the cruiser world.